I walked alone beneath the rain, with heartbreak heavy in my veins. My clothes soaked through, I felt exposed, like losing everything I know. I told myself, when rain is gone, my tears won't stop, I'll carry